ladies and gentlemen, my name is Archibong. I'm a singer-songwriter and I'm also a pharmacist. In today's video, I'll be talking about 10 things you can do to prevent yourself from getting cancer. Cancer is a disease where some of the body's cells divide uncontrollably, and this can spread to other parts of the body. Cancer can start almost anywhere in the body, and 30 to 50% of cases of cancer are preventable. So that's what I'll be talking about in this video, ways to prevent yourself from getting cancer. Before I go any further, I'd like to ask you to please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I share a new video. Without any further ado, let's get into this. So 10 things that you can do to prevent cancer. Number 1, stop smoking or using tobacco products. Tobacco contains about 7,000 chemicals. 250 of these chemicals are known to be harmful, and about 69 are known to be carcinogenic. And what carcinogenic means is that they are known to cause cancer. So stopping smoking at any age is known to be beneficial. Number 2, eat a healthy diet. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. The best veg to be eating to prevent cancer are cruciferous vegetables. Examples include broccoli or Brussels sprouts. The vegetable you eat does not necessarily have to be organic, although it's better if it's organic. But for me, I prefer to just eat the vegetables that I have access to, rather than stressing too much about eating organic vegetables, because all vegetables contain the antioxidants and the nutrients that you need. Something else you can do under this point of having a healthy diet is go plant-based. It doesn't mean that you necessarily have to stop eating meat, but it just means you limit meat, and that's something I am doing at the moment. So most days I eat plant foods, and I'll eat meats maybe during the weekends. Also limit processed food. So hot dogs are a no-no, and so is bacon. Number 3 thing that you can do to prevent cancer is drink alcohol in moderation, or better yet, do not drink at all. So 14 units per week is the recommended amount of alcohol that's allowed for men and women in the UK. The 4th thing you can do to prevent cancer is to maintain a healthy weight and exercise regularly. So what's advised by the government is 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week for all adults, and a minimum of 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week. So either 150 minutes of moderate activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week. The way you can do this is just work out 30 minutes for 5 days a week and you're done. Something else you need that is quite important is also to do strength training twice a week, and try to incorporate that into your exercising as well. The 5th thing you can do to prevent cancer is to avoid the sun at peak times between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. and also to wear sunscreen. So this actually prevents you from having the likelihood of getting skin cancer. So stay in the shade, cover your skin, use sunscreen, reapply sunscreen, avoid or limit all types of radiation, and do not use tanning beds either, because this is just as bad at causing skin cancer as the sun. Number 6, practice safe sex if you are sexually active and unmarried. So avoid infections such as hepatitis and HPV, which is basically the papilloma virus. And number 7, avoid toxic chemicals where you can, e.g. benzene and asbestos. And also other toxic chemicals can be found in plastics or weed killers, so try and avoid them where you can. But I think that the goal is to minimize exposure to carcinogens, but it is not to actually do something that might put you at a disadvantage. So if you're finding that you cannot you don't have access to organic fruits and veg, I would advise that it's better to eat just any fruit and veg that you can find, because a lot of these fruit and veg contain antioxidants, which can actually help against cancer, against getting cancer, if you know what I mean. Number 8, know your family history, as there is a genetic element to getting cancer. For example, the BRCA1 and the BRCA2 genes can raise your cancer risk if they become altered. And number 9, get screened for some cancers. For example, in the UK, 50 to 60-year-old people are advised to get screened for bowel cancer, and 50 to 70-year-old women are advised to get screened for breast cancer, and 25 to 64-year-old women are advised to get screened for cervical cancer, and men are advised to get a PSA test for prostate cancer. So screening can help you prevent the possibility of getting cancer and also catching it early, so that if you do get it, it can be treated and dealt with early enough for it to not be a major risk. Number 10, limit exposure to environmental pollutants. So I hope you found this video useful. the Singing Pharmacist signing out. Have a good day and God bless. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Take care. Bye.